I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. So I am excited. I have an item from the Fendace child, the Fendi and Versace collaboration. It's gonna be a very small unboxing. It's one item, really quick. I'm not gonna hold you guys up, but of course I had to come on camera and unbox it with my fam. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and yes, we are going to unbox this baby together. It is signed, sealed, and delivered, so this is a true unboxing. Like I said, really quick, one item. You know, I wanted to unbox it with y'all. I wanted y'all to see it when I see it, so we can judge together. So let's get into it. All right. So, y'all, you know, it's a box. I don't want to break my back for a box, y'all. It's just a box, so I'm not gonna hold it up, but I am going to open this bad boy, preferably without knocking myself out with the cardboard box. All right. Let me show y'all what I see. Boom. So I wanted to. Here we go. So I wanted to do this unboxing because if you are like me who don't have you know, luxury department stores, not a department store, if you don't have luxury boutiques, you know, very close to you, like the nearest one to me is about 2.5 hours. You order online a lot, or you, in my case with certain brands, have my essays. So I wanted to do the unboxing with the cardboard and everything, so you can actually see how it would come in the mail if you ordered online. Okay, so again, here we go. So that is what's in the box. First thing on top, oh my god. Okay, so they fancy, huh? Alright, so this is the Fendace branding. Fendace? No, Fendace. Child, Fendi and Versace collaboration. This is the envelope. The only thing that's in here, of course, is my receipt, packing slip, and return label if needed. And then a Versace note says, "You are perfect." Yes, I am. What lies was told. Okay, for real. Alright, so, and then here's the packing tissue. Everything is branded, so I love that. I love that. Everything is branded, even the tissue paper. Boom. Okay, so I pushed open the tissue paper, and this is what I am looking at. All right, I'm gonna try my little muscles here and try to hold up this box. But you know, I ain't been eating my Wheaties lately. Oh, they sent the shopping. No. Okay. All right. I see y'all. Come on, Rakita. Like, use your muscles now. Breathe in and out. Use your muscles. All right, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna dump this right here on my little back assistance. All right, and I'm gonna dump that on the floor. Don't judge me. Okay, so they sent a shopping. Listen, when I tell you the presentation, I am here for it. So this is a shopping bag, and again, I don't have a Fendi or a Versace essay, so I just went on the website, Versace's website, because you know, you can either order from Fendi.com or Versace.com, so I had to think which one I did, because I checked out both of them. I'm nosy, I checked out both of them, but I got this from Versace. So this is just me straight, no essay, no contact, going on Versace.com and you know, browsing, shopping, and ordering. So they do send you a shopping bag from this collection, which I think is awesome because it's maybe a once in a lifetime collaboration, and you know, they up their prices on these pieces because of this historic and, you know, glamorous collaboration. So it's nice that they send you all the bells and whistles along with it. Okay, speech over, speech over. All right, so here's the bag. All right, it has a little tie ribbon, so why do that? Cause like that didn't need to be undone to open the bag, Rakita. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so here's the shopping bag, and then inside, I want to see too what's in here. Okay, so inside is the item, and that is also wrapped in tissue paper. That is awesome. Okay, let me grab it out. Alright, and there we go. So I'm gonna put the shopping bag on the floor. Listen, y'all know I'm a sucker for package presentation, and right now I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So here is again, I ordered from Versace, but that is still the Versace. Why I keep trying? If I won't get it right, why I keep trying? But again, is the Fendace sticker there. Let me try to undo that without ripping it, and I failed, but that's cool. That's cool. All right, let's take that off. Listen, it is branding everywhere on this collaboration. All right, and I'm here for it. All right, and here we go. Can y'all tell what I ordered? Can y'all tell what I ordered? It is right here, so I'm gonna try to cover that so y'all won't see. All right, you know what, Ricky, open the box. Stop playing. All right, I'm gonna stop playing. Here we go. Let me put that down. Child, that's just disrespectful. Hold on. So this is what fell out. It is, what is it? Looks like it is the authentication card, and then just, you know, care booklet and things like that about the item. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So there we go. That's what we got. All right. So let me just, first thing we got is a dust bag. I'm gonna just, for right now, put the box on my lap. We got 2 dust bags. All right, so you should know what I got. All right, 2 dust bags. Again, with the collaboration branding. And I like that. I like that because, you know, it was a premium because of, like I said, the legendary collaboration, the historic collaboration, the unprecedented collaboration. So if you're going to put a premium on the specialness, is that a word, specialness? I don't know, it's a word today. But if you're gonna put a branding on the specialness of this collaboration, I mean, put a premium as far as price on the specialness of the collaboration, let it be known. That's what we paying for, you know? So I like that. I like it. Okay, I said speech over, but I just gave a whole new one. All right, here's the box. And then, all right, it's like I want to show y'all, but I want to see too, because I ain't seen them yet in person. All right, what's this? Oh, that's the tag. Can y'all see? Oh. 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 I like it. I like it. Oh, the paper fell out. This was in here, but that's taken away from the cuteness anyway, so let's put that down. Listen. When I tell you these are loud. So loud. Alright, wait, let me get that one. Okay. Boom. This is what I got. These are the pool slide Vito Fendace. No, I ain't doing that. That's what that is. That is what that is. I got sailboats as feet, so I got a size 41. Again, I can't pronounce that. If you couldn't see the card, I will put it up on the screen or in the description box. But look at these. Look at it. Get it together, Rakita. Okay, look at these. Oh my God, these are cute. These are, let me take this off. This tissue paper. Oh my goodness. When I say the loud, the gaudiness of it all, I like these. So how much I paid for these? How much was they is? How much was they is? How much was they is? Okay. Does it say here? They probably didn't put it on a receipt to avoid hurting my feelings. All right, no, it's not on here. Chad, you ain't gonna tell me how much I paid for them? Come on, what? Is it in here? If it's not, then I will obviously go look at my statement. Child, they don't want you to remember how much you paid for them, because it ain't on nothing. But well, I got this out. Let me show you. So these are, can you see that? If you want to screenshot that, if you're interested in finding these slides, that's what they are. But y'all, they don't want you to remember how much you paid for them, because it's not on none of that. Okay. But again, I will have all the information in the description box. But yes, these are them. So let me really quick, because I said I'm going to be quick. I said it. I know I said it. But let me tell you why I chose these. So, you know, I have been following this collaboration because, again, I thought it was historic. I thought it was unprecedented. I thought it was pretty cool, pretty dope, all that. I was into it. But when I say I was into it, it's because I thought it was special. And I am a Versace lover for other people, which means I think the brand is hot, dope, if styled appropriately, you know, you're a standout king or queen. But my style really doesn't reflect a lot of the print. So, with that being said, a lot of the ready-to-wear and handbags that came out, even though I thought they were works of art, in real life, I ain't gonna wear them. I ain't gonna wear them. And like I said, they have a premium on the price because of the collaboration. And honestly, even if they didn't have a premium on the price, luxury is expensive. It's expensive. So even at regular ridiculous luxury prices, if I'm not gonna wear it, I'm not gonna buy it. Like, at the end of the day, I'm not an art collector. Like, I don't go bidding on Picasso's. So I love that. I love pieces that to me are art, but I also need it to be functional and being able to fit into my lifestyle, right? So I didn't see nothing in the ready-to-wear. I didn't see nothing in the handbags that I know that I would use and get my cost per wear on both the Fendi and Versace side. But when I saw that, because y'all know I love a good pool slide. Y'all know a good pool slide. So I said I can wear these. I can have a little something something from the collection, wear it, get my money's worth, and don't feel like, you know, I wasted my money. Because that bottom line, if you buy anything luxury, whether it's from a collaboration or not, if you buy anything luxury and you don't use it, in my humble opinion, of course, it's a waste of money. Like, you should wear your luxury pieces. That's just how I run things around here. So with all that rambling, this was something that I can get from the collection that I thought was a piece of this historic moment and that I will use and that I can use. So there we go. These are the slides that I got. Okay, good people, that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed that really quick, really small unboxing. Like I said, I put up videos of shorts, YouTube shorts of the ready-to-wear and the handbags that I thought was really dope in this collection. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. That's under my shorts library. Is that how you say it? I don't know. I don't know. But if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Of course, hitting those notifications. That is a free and great way to support your girl. Also, keep up with me on the daily, where you can see how I will style these beautiful things. I am on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!